Well, when I first ran up Val Roseg, I had something in my heart saying, this is home. Such a beautiful valley and the vista opened up. That's when I really felt I'd found a very special place. On the trail you get the freedom, you get the feeling of flying, dancing along the trail, always seeing what's coming around the next corner. And this is a very special feeling to me.
There's no time for stalling. The wild is calling.
Running around the piece Bernina is a beautiful journey, but it also gave me a different perspective of the Engadine Valley and how it lies in this landscape, and that gave me a greater sense of understanding where I am and why I'm here.